Hello, good day guys, welcome back to another video. Today I want to talk to you about a trading assistant that I made. It's called Trade Plus AI. If you are Jamaican and you trade on Derive, this is also good for you too. But for the majority of people that trade Forex and metal and indices and crypto, please come take a look. It's howjamaica.com/forex. I will leave a link down below so you guys can check it out. Here's a quick overview of what it does. I trade on Derive and I trade a lot of indices, synthetic indices. These are assets that Derive created to simulate real markets. This right here analyzes the market and gives you optional trades that you can make for short term and long term. So short term, we see this right here, it says wait for a clear break to 49.42 to enter a quick short. So that means the overall market is a short, right? As you can see here with the overall signal, it's a short, but it's saying it's going to consolidate for the short term. So if you come to V10, it's saying for the short term it's coming up here and then it's gonna sell off. What I would usually do is set my limit sell, put it at that mark up my my take profit there. You can see we'll make $155 and then stop loss right above the previous high, right? And there we go. Once that hits, we know we'll be profitable. So these are the things that this assistant can help you with, and if you care to give it a try, come on down and click the link. It's free to try, it's free overall, and you guys can tell me if you like it and give me any feedback. Right now we're just looking to make money together. Alright guys, have a good day.